Wow. Okay. Spanner.
I don't know what they do me, okay? I don't know what they do me. My body just never do it.
Spanner, what happened?
I don't know what they do me.
How they do you, Spanner?
My body they hold me just like if I dey born.
Hey, not true. Spanner, what did you chop? I mean, what did you do? Where did you go?
I don't go in the place like that.
Ha! Spanner, oh God. You don't drink medicine? You never drink medicine? Okay, wait. I think I get. Wait. I get Panadol. Please, it's okay. Let me give you Panadol first and check if it is. If you know cancer, then we'll go to hospital. You put this auto, Spanner. I don't tell you, say all these things when they chop. It's too much. Stop eating too much now.
I don't want to end like this. I don't just want to.
And this thing be like saying a BPO. Now because of too much chop when they chop. Wait. It's okay. Wait. Let me come bring.
If you want, I don't feel drink.
Let me bring the draw. Hey! Spa! Nagwa! Spa?
Sir.
Spanner.
Okay.
Where is the food that is inside this plate?
And because of the medicine where you won't bring now, so that I go chop. Doctor, precision.
Oh, they said before you drink medicine, you need to eat.
Yes, sir.
Spanner!
Okay.
Where is my food? Plenty food inside this plate. Where are they?
My body, you see, they hurt me.
Your body they hurt you.
Oh God, my body, they hurt me.
Your body they hurt you. Hey!
Okay. Hey! Okay, no better, nowhere.
Spanner!
Okay, no better, nowhere.
Where is my food that is inside this plate for the last time?
Doctor's precision.
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 Precision. I am going to. Spanner.
Okay, no best.
Spanner.
Okay, no best. I know well.
You have dealt with me. Hey, this one.